welcome to Chef Bimal kitchen. Today I will show you how to make soft, moist and delicious banana muffin with simple ingredients. Let's get baking. First of all, I have taken 3 pieces of ripe banana and I am going to peel it and I am going to mash it with fork. Now I have taken half cup of butter and I am going to beat it in mixer. Now I am going to add 3/4 cup of sugar and I am going to mix it again. Now I am going to add 2 eggs, but I am going to add one by one. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now I am going to add this mashed banana into this mixture. And I am going to mix it gently. Now I have taken 2 cups of flour. One teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I am going to sift it. Now I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to add this mixture. And I am going to mix it very gently. Now I am going to add half cup of milk, but I am going to mix batch by batch. Now mixture is ready. I am going to put muffin cup into mold. Now I am going to put mixture into it. And finally I am going to put walnut on top. Now I am going to bake it 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. 35 minutes is over. Now it is ready. Let it cool down completely. Now I am going to transfer it into platter. Our banana muffins are soft, fluffy, moist and full of delicious banana flavor. Enjoy them warm with your favorite tea or coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Chef Bimal Kitchen. See you in next recipe.